What is going on, guys, and welcome to HTML tutorial in brackets. In this video we're going to cover two more lists, and that would be a nested and definition list. And all the nested list would mean that, let's say that over here I have an order list right here, and if I would want to add, like, let's say some type of numbers, let's say over here in Bobby, all I would have to do is actually create over here a order list, right? So I have here Bobby, and what I would do right now is I would create actually order list. So I do the same thing. I create list items. So let's say the first one would be, I would say that, I don't know, has a bag, right? Then I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna write over here loves math, right? And then let's say the third one is gonna be, I'm gonna say, well, hates music. So you can see how easy it is. I can just basically pick whatever item I would want to add, let's say, on our list to my numbers, and it could be a recipe, it could be an instruction book, it could be anything, right? And all I would have to do is within this list item that I would want to add a unordered list, I would just create an ordered list right here, right? So I would just nest it in the list item element. So when there's one more list that I would want to show you, and it's actually called definition list, and the element would be DL over here. And then we would have to create element DT, which stands for definition term. So let's say over here, again, I'm going to write Bobby, and right underneath, I'm going to create another element, and this one is going to be DD, and DD would stand for definition, right? So I have over here Bobby, and I would say again that Bobby has a backpack, and he loves math, and hates, I don't know, video games. Very unrealistic, but let's say video games. So now you can see what definition list would do. Basically, first we would have to display the definition list element, and then we have the definition term and actual definition. And of course, I could just go over here and copy this, and again create as many as I would want the definition terms, right? So I would have to actually copy this one over here, and let's say we're gonna paste it, right? So then instead of Bobby, I could write over here Susie, and let's say that she actually loves music. So we can write loves music, hates boys, right? Something like that. So you get an idea how we can create an actual definition list. This is going to be it for the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.